After a good recovery yesterday, Nifty is again gonna do a neutral to bearish start. So let's look at market levels. Welcome to Trading Footprints, and this is pre-market pulse. Let's begin with global data. In the pre-market session, we have an update from Trump's side that they will not proceed with tariff talk until India stops buying Russian oil. And because of that, in the sentiment side, we have Gift Nifty down 55 points, which means that Indian markets are going to have a slightly slow or weaker start. Looking at FII's action, they again end up selling from their side, whereas DIS did a buying from their side. So overall, we can consolidate this as a mixed or a neutral sentiment. Rupee closed strong, which is a good indicator for us. India VIX dropped down to 11.68 and 68, and whenever there's a drop in India VIX, it means it's a good sentiment for the market. There is less fear in the market and people are more confident now. US market closed higher today, oil closed lower. Both of these are good and positive sentiment for us, like looking at the global and commodity sector. But gold closing higher, it's a negative sentiment for us. And the main reason for gold closing higher is mostly because of the tariff update or the discussion we are having. Because of that, there is some uncertainty. So we can keep gold as neutral. Looking at all the sectors for US market today, utilities were the best performing one, whereas healthcare was the worst performing one. And this is mostly because of the earning release or update, whichever is coming for US companies and all. Looking at Indian market levels, Nifty's current price is 24,596. Immediate resistance is gonna be 24,780. Initial support, which is a very strong level support, is 24,450, and second support is 24,340. This is the level where Nifty took support yesterday. So this becomes a very strong level for today's market as well. Looking at the chart level, overall we see again like Nifty is within the range of 24,850 to 24,450, and we have RSI and MACD both looking almost good, and we are seeing there is some kind of divergence happening gonna happen now with RSI close like MACD closing or RSI closing close to the major support level. So overall it looks good. But still, there are some uncertainties in the market which can cause some bear sentiment. But most of the stocks are gonna remain in the consolidation phase. There could be a stock specific action which can create some bullish momentum, or if we see fresh buying from FII side, then there could be a bullish sentiment in the market. But make sure you follow your stop losses, you follow your trading rules, and you follow